What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be making a boom bap beat, and over the last few days we learned how to warp samples, chop them up and get different grooves, and make boom bap drums perfectly. So this is a continuation on all of those, and if you missed any of those or you need any further explanation in any of those categories, I'll leave a little card at the top of the video right now for the playlist that this video is going to be featured in as well. So today we're putting everything to the test and we're going to make a boom bap beat. Alright guys, so I got my little section chopped up here and ready to go. This is what we're working with now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and EQ this up, add some effects, make it a little bit wider, and then we're going to move on to some drums. Throw a kick in here real quick. Okay, so you'll notice for the kicks what I did is I basically played some ghost notes here. I turned down the velocity for these ones, for the ghost notes that smack right before the main kick comes in. And I off-centered it just a little bit here. But all of the main kicks here are online. They're quantized. Alright, let's start setting this up. Alright guys, this is going to wrap up the tutorial on how to make simple boom bap beats in Ableton. So if there's anything in there that you would like to expand on and learn a little bit more about, go ahead and check out that playlist again because it's got each step broken down so that you can figure it out from scratch. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this all the way to the end, and I'll be catching you again in the next one. Peace out.